Ah, good smelling stuff has arrived. Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it, you'll want to stick around. You'll hit that subscribe button. I have Pink Zebra Scent Flirt subscription. And the last time I unboxed one of these, a lot of you said, is this new? It's actually... when people think of subscription boxes, they usually think of makeup subscriptions, but there's all kinds of subscriptions. There's ones for kids, books, singles, and all kinds of stuff. This here is just, I love all things that smell good. So I signed up for Pink Zebra. I am a consultant, but I really did it for me so I could get stuff like this and be on alert when new fragrances come out because they just change my mood and I love them. So we're going to unbox this today and see what kind of mood it can get me in. Okay, so this I pay for monthly and it is like $41.06 or something like that with your taxes, shipping, all that. So you do get about $36 worth of product. I think this is like my third one maybe. Ooh, nice job, Karen. All right, we're gonna get in here. They usually have like some sort of theme and exclusives that come out for their members. All right, let's see what this thing has to say. All right, bringing the tropics to you. I guess we're getting ready for summer fragrances. Paisley's Pick, which is the Pink Zebra. There is a new scent every month. This one looks like it says Sunny Citrus. I think this does have all the products listed. Isn't that nice to have a card with products and prices listed? Yes, we don't see that with Ipsy anymore. Okay, so let's get into it. All right. Oh my gosh, I need more room. Karen, you need more room. Give me a minute. So they do give you different things every month. And I love like good smelling laundry. I love, fresh hand soaps, different things like that. And they're super cute too. All right, so I'm going to pull out this big thing right here. Oh my goodness. It's a box. All right, what do we have? Butterfly Garden Glass Vase. Ooh, okay. This is something I haven't gotten before. Let's see what it says here. Where's the vase? Exclusive glass vase. And then there's something in a different language. It does say it has a $15 US dollar value and then a $19 for Canada. So, I'm going to figure this thing out. Okay. All right. Let's get rid of the foam. What do we have? That looks like a straw. That's interesting. Now, these things look like they have something called soaks, and I haven't quite figured out all about that yet. There's like a liquid you can put in a diffuser, and then you can, I guess you soak these things in it, and that also produces a scent. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think that's how it works. Something smells really good here. I'm trying to figure out what it is. Okay. Ooh, diffuser oil. Okay, so we have a diffuser oil in coconut milk papaya. And then it says creamy coconut, peach, and orange. All right, let's find it here. Diffuser oil. It has a $12 value, $15 for Canada. Now, you can push this up and squirt it out, and then they also have a spray. So what I'm trying to figure out is, do you spray these things? All right, let's figure out what else is in here, and then we'll figure out how to use that. All right, so we have this. Let me just smell it. I don't smell much because it has a seal. Nice job, Karen. Ooh, that is pretty. I'll tell you what, these things are potent. They're soaks. Okay, the next thing we have is a body mist, coconut milk papaya. So it's the same scent. Let me look to see. Body mist has a $15 value, $19 for Canada. Smell her. She should smell relatively the same. There's probably a seal. Good thing. All right, that did not come off well. Hello. Can I push one of these down in there? Probably gonna break something here. Give me a minute. Nothing a little stabbing with scissors can't fix. So that smells good. Oh, maybe this could also be for this since it's a body mist. I do know that these have come with the spray things too. All right, so we're just gonna put this on here because I'm thinking that's what goes there. All right, and the last thing it looks like we have is some sprinkles, and it is vanilla macaroon, and this is probably Paisley's pick, and it has a $3.40 US dollar value, $4.25 for Canada. So there's 4 items in this month, and it should average, oh, that smells so good, around $36 worth of product. So what I'm trying to figure out, it says here, enjoy one of these 3 beautifully designed glass reed vases designed to immerse your space with the energy of spring. All right, spring. Okay, not summer, it's spring. Featuring hand-painted details, these reed diffusers will brighten your home and provide hours of fabulous fragrance. All right, so how do we use it? Pair your reed diffuser with your bottle of coconut milk papaya diffuser oil. So you pour the oil in the vase. Okay, let's try this out. How much do we put in here? I have no freaking clue. This is my first time trying like this, the soak things with these little sticks. Whew, okay. So there's oil in here, not a lot. But you can smell it. All right, so I'm gonna put that aside and we're gonna recap. Well, let's start with this then. This here, very cute. I think that that's modern and it's like a nice thing of decor that could kind of go anywhere. So I can kind of put this anywhere in my house. Ah, and the fragrance is just bursting through the air, which I absolutely love. Okay, so we have that. And then we have the oil, which can also go in my diffusers. I have 9 warmers and 2 diffusers in my house. That's how much I love fragrance. So now I've got a body mist, which is kind of cool, which is the same scent of that. And then, you know, layering products is just pretty amazing. It just gives you a sense of, I don't know, like you get more of the fragrance. You know what I mean? Okay, and then we have these sprinkles, which smell freaking amazing. Vanilla macaroon. Now I want a macaroon cookie. Okay, so those are the 4 items: the vase, the spray, the sprinkles, and this oil here. And that's everything in my Scent Flirt Pink Zebra subscription. Now I do have a link. Like I said, you know, you can purchase from me, but it's not the reason that I do this. I do this because I love it. I'm hoping I can get more stuff for laundry and try out their laundry stuff. But if you've used Pink Zebra before, let me know down in the comments. I will also put my link in there. I'm not quite sure how all that works, but I guess if you were to purchase something, I would maybe get a commission from it. I'm pretty sure it works something like that, but I don't know if you need to be a certain amount, whatever. Anyhow, I'm not doing this to make money. I'm doing this because I absolutely love fragrances and they change my mood. And yeah, so if you've got any questions for me, put them down in the comments. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Tell me your favorite fragrance. I see a lot of you like vanilla. I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.